In this quick guide, we'll complete the daily log in Procore on iPhone and call out what must be filled in every day so reporting stays accurate.
Open the Procore app and select your project from the recent list.
From the Tools list, tap Daily Log to open today's log.
Each workday, complete these sections: weather, manpower, notes, and photos. These 4 drive dashboards, audits, and daily reporting. This is required daily.
Use the remaining sections as needed: visitors, phone calls, inspections, delays, safety violations, and deliveries for Fairway purchased material only. Add entries only when they occur so your log reflects actual conditions.
Welcome to the How to Guide for the Weather section in the Daily Log. In this quick guide, we'll complete the weather section in the Procore Daily Log on iPad or iPhone. Open the Procore app and select your project. From the Tools list, tap Daily Log to open today's log. Confirm the date at the top. If you're logging for a different day, tap the date to select the correct one.
Scroll to Weather. Your company may auto-capture weather for the project location. You can add or correct entries to reflect actual on-site conditions. Tap the plus button to add a weather entry. Tap the Time Observed section and record the current time. If conditions delayed work, be sure to select Weather Delay toggle to on and include an attached media file to reflect the cause of weather delay. Tap Sky section to set sky conditions. Pick the closest match, like clear, cloudy, fog, rain, or snow. Select Temperature section to enter temperature, enter the current reading. Select the average field, then type in the average temperature for the day. Enter precipitation amount in inches to record daily rainfall or snow amounts. Select the wind section and select the applicable condition. Select the ground or sea section and enter the ground conditions. Select the calamity section and enter if any major disaster condition that has hindered work. In comment section, add context, start and stop times of rain, lightning hold, mud conditions, or any impact to cranes, lifts, or deliveries. Review your entries, then tap Create to save. Be sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. If weather changed during the day, add additional weather entries to capture shifts, like a dry morning and a stormy afternoon.
Welcome to the Daily Log Manpower tutorial. Manpower section.
Click on the plus icon.
Include company. Select company. Scroll up.
Add number of workers. Scroll up. Add location. There are multi-tier locations to select from. Be sure to select the appropriate one.
Add comment. Create. Create another.
Add the appropriate company. Add the amount of workers. Apply the appropriate location that the workers are at. Include comment of the work they are doing. Click Done. Create. Add the next company. Include each company that's working on site and the amount of manpower for everyone working on site.
Be sure to add an accurate accounting of where they are working. And include a comment of the work that they are doing. You'll repeat this process until all companies and workers are accounted for that day. You'll continue to repeat the process.
Once you've entered all the necessary information, simply hit the back button to proceed. It's that easy. Your attention to detail is what makes this process smooth and efficient.
Welcome to the Daily Log Photos tutorial. We will be covering how to upload daily progress photos to your daily log report. Begin by selecting the Daily Log tool from your project menu. Then select the Photos section. Here you will begin to select the photos you want to add to your daily log report. Start by tapping on the plus icon. In this first example, notice the Take a Photo section that has been spotlighted. We will select here to demonstrate attaching a photo from your device camera to the daily log as a progress photo. From here, be sure to select the correct album you would like the photo to be saved in. Upon selecting correct album, you will see 4 photo tools icons on the right of your screen. Utilize them as shown to tag the photo you will be using with the correct location and trade category for photo. You will also notice a markup and drawings tool icon that is optional if needed. Once your photo has been taken, verify that it has uploaded successfully. In this next example, we will utilize the option of choosing an already taken photo that has been stored on your device by selecting the Choose from the Library option that is spotlighted here. From here you can select the progress photos for today's daily log from your device as shown. Be sure to select the location, album, and tray that accurately applies to the photos you are selecting. In this last example, we'll demonstrate how to select an already existing photo from the Procore Photos album section. Select from the album that you uploaded your progress photo into. Select the progress photo you want to attach to your daily log. Tap the back button when completed loading progress photos. Try to attach at least 4 or more photos a day to reflect current daily progress in the daily log. Welcome to the How to Guide for the Notes section in the Daily Log tool. Start by selecting the Daily Log within the project's main menu. Then select the Notes section as shown to get started. Once you are in the Notes section, create a note by tapping the plus icon in the bottom of your device screen. You can now begin to input information in the comments bar for a note. You also have the option to attach a media file to your note for a reference if needed. Be sure to toggle the issue button if the circumstance you are logging is of a critical nature. These issue notes will be used to compile a lessons learned report to provide helpful insight to other projects. Then provide the location in which your note is referencing using the multi-tiered menu as shown. Select the Create button at the bottom of the page once you have checked the information you want placed in the daily log. Repeat this process as needed. It is important that you be descriptive yet concise and don't merge multiple note topics into one single note. Once you have completed your log entries for each field required and as needed for that day, return to the daily log main menu, recheck your entries, then tap the Complete Day button, then confirm the daily completion by selecting the Complete Only button. By selecting the Complete Only button, the daily log is confirmed and is now ready to populate within Procore.